Hello, and thank you for joining me for Ask Gardener Lynn. Our question today comes from Carrie, who lives in Zone 7. Her question is, should I put eggshells in my compost pile? So this is a really great question, Carrie. So I have specific rules about what I will or will not put in my compost pile, and these rules are there to protect the microbes in the pile that make the compost and my family. So here are my compost ingredient rules that I use to decide if I want to put an ingredient in my compost pile. Number 1, is it organic? If not, then I won't put it in my pile. If you do, you'll be adding chemicals to your pile if the ingredients are not organic. Chemicals are damaging to the soil microbes that will make the compost and damaging to the cells in my body. Number 2, can the microbes break it down? I don't put things in my compost pile that the microbes can't break down, like bones or rocks. All right, let's take a look at eggshells. Eggshells are mostly calcium and are a vital nutrient needed for plant growth and plant cell wall integrity. Let's see if it will pass our compost ingredient rules. Number 1, is it organic? Now, some eggshells are organic and some are not. Commercially non-organically raised eggs can have harmful residues in the egg and in the shells. So these residues can come from the use of drugs to treat and prevent disease in chickens, or from the use of pesticides to control pests and disease in the chicken's environment. The presence of harmful residues in the eggshells can have a negative effect on the microbes in the compost pile and on our human health. So commercial grown eggshells do not sound like a really good fit for my compost pile, but I would put in organically grown eggshells in my compost pile. Number 2, can the microbes break down the eggshells? Yes, the microbes can break down eggshells, but there are a few things that you need to do. I like to crunch up my eggshells after they dry out and before I put them in the compost pile. And then I want to spread them out so they're not in a clump in the pile. They're a great source of calcium for the compost pile. So the bottom line is organic eggshells are great for the compost pile in small amounts. Non-organic grown eggshells are toxic and should not be put in the compost pile. Most pesticides and other chemicals don't break down in a compost pile. They are passed through and end up in your garden. If you have a garden question you would like answered, go ahead and send us an email. The address is in the description below. Also, if you would like to learn how to grow $2,500 worth of organic produce in only 128 square feet with only a 15-minute-a-day commitment, then sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. It's free, it's online, and you can find it at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show, or there's a link in the description below.